from Olive to Craft, and today we're gonna make glow-in-the-dark window clings for Halloween! Wax paper, glow-in-the-dark glue, or fabric paint. I'm going to be using both, and I think I'm going to make a ghost. I'm going to use my glow-in-the-dark glue first, and you'll have to make your lines really thick so when you peel it off, it doesn't break. See this thin line? You're gonna have to do some passes over it to make it thicker. You can even just make a big glob of it and spread it out with the tip of your glue, like this. But still, make sure it's still thick. Now I'm gonna take my fabric paint and make some spooky eyes on my ghost. I'm gonna make some circle eyes. Okay, I think I might make a squiggly mouth. And here it is, my finished ghost. Now, you have to let it sit and fully dry. When it's done, you peel it off, and then you can put it on your window. Now that it's done drying, I'm going to peel it off very carefully. Ooh, it's so cool. Uh-oh, looks like the back of mine is still a little wet. So if it's still a little wet, you finish peeling it off, and then you let it sit and dry on the other side if you need to. The thicker your glue is, the longer it will take to dry. Okay, now we're gonna put it on our window. And we're gonna watch it glow on Halloween night. We also made some spiders out of fabric paint. They'll glow in a black light. Thanks for watching. Now get your craft on and get your happy on and have a happy